Welcome to new class. In our class today, we shall talk about something interesting. Do you need money? I know you will be thinking of money. Of course, I need money. Today's class we talk about something related to money. When you need money a couple of times, there could be a need for you to put a call through to someone that can help you, that can give out some amounts to you. And that person might be willing to do so, but on a certain condition. And the condition is that you will add an extra amount whenever you want to return or refund the money. This extra amount is known as interest. So our topic for today is simple interest. What do you mean by simple interest? At the end of this lesson, learners should be able to solve problems related to simple interest. I'm Abdullah Falade, your mathematics teacher. Let's think of a situation whereby you want to borrow 50,000 naira from GT Bank at 5% rate for 3 years. You might be wondering, what is the meaning of all this? Wait, you understand now. That amount you are seeing that the bank is about to give out to you is 50,000. It's called principal. The duration at which you want to use the money before you return is time, 3 years. And the percentage at which the lender wants to give out the money to you is 5%. And that is the rate. To determine the interest, the extra amount you need to add to this amount, to this money, when you want to refund, to determine this interest, you multiply all these values. 50,000 times 3 times 5%. And that is the simple interest, which is 7,500. So it means whenever you want to return this 50,000, you have to add extra 7,500 as the extra charges, extra amount, which is known as interest on what you collected. So in a nutshell, whenever you talk about simple interest, you need to have the principal, the time, and the rate. The multiplication of all this give you your simple interest. I hope you've learned in this class. Exercise, try this on your own, and I hope you will get it better. See you in the next class.